G'day everybody, where's Wally here? Well, Mitchell, he went and did it again. Mitchell, can you slow down a little bit? The rate at which you're failing means I'm going to have to put on more staff to deal with the sheer number of daily derps coming from you. But firstly, a big pat on the back for having the balls to admit at least one mistake that you made. Also, good to see that you have a pinned comment in that video now saying that you were wrong, but it needs to go a little bit further, Mitchell, stating that all the subsequent claims that were based off of that bit of nonsense are also now total nonsense. But please don't take down that video. We want everyone to see. But do please make the full correction and pin it. Now, you're going to need at least one more pin in today's video, Fool School number 38. And I will explain why after Mitchell sits back down in the error puddle and rolls around a bit. Take it away, Mitchell.
69 equals 5,658 miles to the GP of Sigma Octatus. And that creates an area of equal altitude using the sextant. You guys can't get away from the fact that you need a flat plane to measure angles to stars. This line right here, this one going from the observer to the GP of that star, has to be absolutely flat. You guys have a major problem. You guys being the globers, anti-flat earthers, the people who think that the earth is not flat. You want to go against the flat earth arguments. You want to try and say that we're living on a globe. That distance there is 100% flat. It has to be in order to get a measurement to a star. 5,658 miles. Now, yeah, that's a pretty large distance, isn't it? But let's put it into perspective. So what is the radius of your presupposed spherical Earth? 59 miles. And what is the distance, the radius of the area of equal altitude that we've just measured? Yeah, 69 miles per 1 degree, as you guys like to say. Yeah, the radius of that area of equal altitude, absolutely flat, is 5,658 miles. How does that fit on a globe with a radius of 59 miles? It does not work on a globe. You've got an area that is larger than the radius of that of which you presuppose you are on. That radius of area equal altitude does not fit on your globe. It is absolutely impossible. Do you get it now, ballers? Are you going to pull me up on this? Because at the moment, no one's pulling me up on this.
Well, Mitchell, Wally is pulling you up. You asked how does it fit? Well, super easy, barely an inconvenience. Because the globe is, well, a globe. The distance of 5,658 miles fits perfectly. So what does Google Earth, the map which shows curvature, say about the distance from Mount Bromo to the South Pole, the GP of the SCP? Oh, 5,670 miles. Close enough for this little black duck. Seems you correctly calculated 5,658 miles, and that fits along the Great Circle Line from Mount Bromo to the South Pole.
They're all saying, this photo, Mitchell, what are you doing? This is not Polaris. Yeah? I do direction. I'm 180 degrees wrong. Well, how wrong are you guys when we calculate how far away the center of that photo is the Sigma Octatus, yeah, or the closest naked eye star to the center of that rotational point? How far away is that? 82 degrees times 69 miles, 5,658. How does that fit on a globe of radius 59 miles? It does not. This is so devastating for the globe.
And yes, this is so devastating, all right, Mitchell, but only for you.
Yeah, suck it in, princess. Suck it up, fundies. Has Blue Marble Science absolutely debunked anything other than proven that I made a mistake, which I just admitted? Yeah, I made a mistake. This photo is not of Polaris. We're not seeing Polaris there. We're seeing Sigma Octantis, the southern rotational point in the sky.
Yeah, good job, Mitch. See how it all works nicely on a globe?
Definitely not an axis. Axes have never been proven. I challenge anyone to find a natural axis. It is not possible. There is nothing naturally occurring that has an axis point.
Oh, a natural axis, you say? Well, that's super easy. Oh, hang on, I already did that joke today. Well, here's a time lapse showing the rotation, so trust your senses, flatties. And then I'll ask you to get all the way off my back on that natural rotation derp. Thanks, guys. This is so much fun. Mitchell, you're too easy, mate.